Hello again, grade 7. This is part 2 of adjective clauses. In this video, we have to look closely at charts 12.3 and 12.4. So by the end of this video, you should be able to write an adjective clause using the object pronouns and write an adjective clause using pronouns to describe things. So let's start with chart 12.3, using object pronouns and adjective clauses to describe people. Here we have the first example. The woman is a doctor. I spoke to her. As you can see that her is the object pronoun that refers to the woman. So one way to make an adjective clause is to change her to that and place it next to the woman, and it becomes as in be, the woman that I spoke to is a doctor. So here we continue with the same idea. We have to use the object pronouns in adjective clauses. So we said in the previous slide that I can use that instead of her, which is the object pronoun. So the woman that I spoke to is a doctor. Another way is to omit that and just write the woman I spoke to is a doctor. So it's okay to delete the object pronoun. Also, we are still in the same example. The woman is a doctor, I spoke to her. So instead of using that or nothing, I can use either who or whom. So it becomes the woman who I spoke to is the doctor, or the woman whom I spoke to is the doctor. So we can sum up chart 12.3 by saying that there are 4 different ways to use the object pronouns and adjective clauses to describe people. So as in A, I use that. As in B, I may use nothing. As in C, I may use who. And as in D, I may use whom. Remember that and nothing and who are more common in speaking and writing, while whom is very formal. It's only used in the written discourse. In the previous charts, we have seen how we use pronouns and adjective clauses to describe people. Now in chart 12.4, we have to use pronouns and adjective clauses to describe things. Let's see in A, the tools are new, they are in my pocket. They is the subject pronoun that refers to the tools. So I can change they into that or which, but not who or whom. So I can get, and as in B and C, the tools that are in my pocket are new, or the tools which are in my pocket are new. So again, that can be used for people and things, which is only used for things, and who and whom are only used for people. So here it's incorrect to say the tools are in my pocket are new. Okay, so I have to use that and which. These pronouns cannot be omitted from the adjective clause. So we continue with chart 12.4 with a new example. The old car needs work, I drive it. It here refers to the old car, so it can be replaced with either which, that, or nothing. So I can get the old car which I drive needs work, or the old car that I drive needs work, or the old car I drive needs work. So all the 3 ways are correct. Thank you, everyone.